Hello friends. Today we are here with the topic of foreign exchange market. To explain this topic, I would like to take your 8 to 10 minutes. Now foreign. Everyone are familiar with the word of foreign. Still giving you some clarity. What does mean by foreign? I am an Indian resident. I live in India. For me, except India, all other countries are the foreign countries. For me, except India, all other countries are the foreign countries. And exchange, as per this chapter, foreign exchange market, the exchange is currency. Currency is nothing in India. Currency is money. In India, the currency is rupee. In USA, the currency is dollar. In Europe, the currency is euro. In Japan, the currency is yen. As per general knowledge, to give you some knowledge, US dollars are the vehicle currency. It is internationally accepted by all over the country. Market is nothing but it is a platform where buying and selling take place. So basically a market where foreign currencies are sold and bought. Foreign exchange market is a market where foreign currencies are sold and bought. Now we are done with the meaning of foreign exchange market. Now who are the participants in the market? Who are the dealer? Who are playing the roles in this market? The first major player is the central bank in India. Our central bank is RBI, that is Reserve Bank of India. What Reserve Bank of India is doing, who controls the money supply in the India. The second player is the commercial bank. Commercial banks are our financial institutions. They accept deposits and lends money. Commercial banks, the example of the commercial banks are the SBI, Oriental banks, IDBI banks, ICSI banks. And the third player in this market are the foreign exchange dealers, who also known as the foreign exchange brokers. They are having authority with the RBI to deal with the foreign currencies. And last but not the least are the entrepreneurs and the corporate world, that is businessmen. So there are four major participants in this market who are dealing with functions of foreign exchange market. The first function is transfer of purchasing power. Power means money. Money gives you power. If you want to buy a foreign product, we no, if you want to buy a foreign product, what we need? We need a foreign currency. So we can't buy that product in rupee. So to cope up with this problem, we having a foreign exchange market. Exchange market and the dealers of the foreign exchange market. We can go to the dealer and give them rupee and convert that rupee into dollars. They will convert our rupee into dollars. So that foreign currency will give you a purchasing power. Second, the function is provision of credit instrument. In life we get in life the situation will come when we get the shortage of money. So if we get a shortage of money, what we are doing, we are taking credit from the institutions, banks, from the friend, from the shopkeepers for buying goods, anything. Same provision the foreign exchange market function is providing us, that is credit by bill of exchange or draft or traveler's check. In this instrument we having a repayment date, that is maturity date, either 90 days or 120 days. The third, which is coverage of risk. In this market the risk is very huge. So the risk is huge because they are dealing with the two countries. In future the policy can be changed, the inflation can be happen, because of that there can be a depreciation in the rupee, anything can be happen in the future date. So to cover the risk in this market, the foreign exchange market are taking help with the forward market. Forward market is nothing, is a market where contract is made on a current price and payment and delivery is going to be happen in the future date. So these are the meaning. This is the participants of the they also known as the role players. Four role players are the, and these are the functions of the foreign exchange market. If you like my video, if you like my video, please thumbs up and comment on the description. Thank you, friends.